Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Ludlow. Local and long-distance movers near me. Some pros of hiring 3 movers as your long-distance movers are expert knowledge of the area and roadways. Instead of hiring a company that is not specialized in carrying out local distance moves, you'll need to hire one that knows all the roads and areas in Ludlow. This is a great way for your move to be swift and for the company to easily bypass any traffic that may be on the way. To have a very successful local move, you'll need to make sure that you reach out to 3 movers, as we know how well to navigate the Ludlow area. To avoid any surprises or our customers feeling blindsided, we make sure we calculate estimates on site and provide them immediately. You don't have to wait for 2-3 business days before getting your carefully drafted estimate. As long as you provide an accurate scope of your home area and the estimated number of belongings you may have, then you're good. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ludlow moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.